up YouTube? Today we have another unboxing on this special day of Diwali. Happy Diwali to my viewers. This is coming out a bit late, but this was received on the day of Diwali. So we have with us an unboxing from Dell. So without further ado, let's get to it. So we start with the flap at the top of the box here. This piece of cardboard, and we have the laptop itself. So here we have the laptop, which we'll keep to the side for now. Here we have just some more cardboard. There's a lot of cardboard in here. Surprising. Here we have the power cable, which we'll put to the side as well. We have stuff. Another cable. Oh, that goes into the main. It's not a figure of 8. What is it? It's a power supply. Then here's the other adapter. Let's call it your quick start guide. I'm assuming right here. Quick start guide. Safety information. Some EU equipment derivatives. And well, that's about it, really. Quite a quick unboxing, this one. So in this box, what you get is the power supply, the power cable, safety information, all the paperwork here, and the laptop itself, which if we just open up right here, my favourite part, I love the film and everything. We just open this up like so. And here we have the actual laptop. So you get your laptop and power supplies, paperwork, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.